Godfred Nyarko in the year 2020 and free Mediama. Apparently free Mediama 2019, but 2021 said that more club will be and unya a deal to Tanzanian club a friend Simba or attacker. Na after say unya side deal no and on the Simba echo boy inti obo Simba for that season, you know. A very you know, and I was about Mediama in 2020. No? Now in 2021, and I free Mediama and I joining Nigeri club I friend Sahel FC. Now Sahel FC hono and odinity pim more until the last hour club our boy a South African club I friend Royal AM. Now Royal AM hono. No na according to information ever na say no ne Royal AM for na wi na Royal AM wi dia obeba be try ne bobre e wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko player no oye attacking midfield na attacking midfield no utimi ball left wing utimi sabo right wing information e ba ne say enne no pay one Kumasi Asante Kotoko e sha see e training all in the bid say Kotoko e be replace Abetamo ano. Because Rudolph Mensah deal no akoye dealer to be real honest. Ya yetin yen kan no credit e ba akope. Rudolph Mensah to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no it is entirely out. And Emmanuel anode no so de wa wani twa okomo Dova and insensem bebre. Enti the breaking news is that player Godfred Nyarko, formerly of Simba Wabatawa or the Kotoko trials sana menkano menkaso one Kotoko trials na the be every that particular deal muno me de emu enchene ebebre ovia de obeye ne say go subscribe no wabadoma no so na ya build it together information we are say enya top ne de real quick on the super channel mesra on join Asante Kotoko reaction na wa hit the real subscribe button no na wa join it 0247 107260 and only number no 0247 107260 oboswa o sapemi amedo beto so yes o sapemi amedo beto so we are make yenta enche stories no ho be parenti let me go through it for you na sebi nkwasi asembi moma me kwan na menka nkwasi asembi amate na wie no mempese meso so but to da bia obi di nsemu na wo so o mane hu so odi nsemu not too long ago na Asante Kotoko edebe tu da say oni Joseph Ablo awi na ye wo Facebook yi me bompa say ebia akora bi na akọ create page bi na odi di nsemu page bi a ye friend MLS Sports Management almost omo na ye managers of Joseph Ablo ye omo client na de Kotoko abi post no kreba akukra nim na Kotoko allegation Kotoko ye no sebi nkwasi asem allegation be na Kotoko aye Kotoko allegation ben na Kotoko aye Kotoko de obe posti ni say oni Joseph Ablo mutually oma party ways Kotoko nko chrongu social media baby ase Joseph Ablo ene ma koda eye nsentrofo ena eye omo report ena omo hwehwemu na abeda bi say Joseph Ablo sebi nkwasi asem a odini Kotoko emma out emmegu Joseph Ablo ni ma say na nkwasi statement na enam social media no say omo no MLS hwan no ehu ni say ye gu Joseph Ablo hu fi omo say Kotoko gu Joseph Ablo hu fi nti omo ko GF bi be say mosebo Kotoko me enye omo ya nkra bi na akọ creative Facebook page na ene brofo de AI no kan no atwera ma ene wa be post me sana me hu no because tama semu ba ya na ye ka say Joseph Ablo ko fa management bra no na MLS hwan ni no mo waifa MLS Sports Management no mo waifa kroma be se wan sha ho so obedi pani ate na MLS hwan ensem hunu statement ari abeto say o Kotoko e defame o player no see Jimmy Duba aleba mu ankuri wallahi aleba mu ankuri because the same wo ho abotene tama semi by the MLS Sports Management. Indeed, if you are the managers of if you are the managers of Joseph Abla is your client. At the time, you didn't contact Kumasa Santoko so that the whole issue will be resolved. Omo contact GFA for no more open investigation. Now omo betensem. Omo nko contact na afi omo so omo per evidence omo betensem. Sebi nkwasi asema omo so client no odi Kotoko camp no. Omo beti. Say ya party ways mutually asumdua ba tembia me say agent for no na egu Ghana football. Sebi agent for no nkwasi afo bi o ma omo selfish interest. E na omo de nam and omu Ghana football. Player no, say you know, ono Kotoko party ways mutually. Or make a bibia, wo no wakotro brofo say, ye Kotoko good player na nimu ase. Kotoko a good player na nimu ase. Inti, mumu de Kotoko ko GFA. Na asem ni akohwehwe. Mumbusa player no kwase asem a no odi no camp. Asem ba na me enti ase. Ene Sarfo Duku ko Kesben FM, Kesben TV. Wa confirm ade bi. No nti a me the story we no eba no nti a who confirm Sarfo Duku confirm say at the end of the season Samba beko o say Samba ko na akọ no yebisa ne say why be o see the same thing applies to Peter Amidu akwa nso beko ana ya ujam mika ujama Kamara nso beko Kamara de no kra de enhyeda ha bi because ono so question mark on ho sa but ono no ya de na obepa acho Kamara de wo no wa me no o ya de na obepa acho na bibia e kama so ejesa wajatu akoyiskasem Peter Amidu akwa no minyu aketu ano no amaka se Peter oti kroma na oboko toko na ye consistent awo chance so obeko akose mre wa buchiri na obi anto nka bio but abuchi no menu anom so amanfo amobetem say abuchi scan ye okwa abuchi a mfie ba akumienu wasidan but Ghana no ede but say ede a we need a how bit my bibi o father need a how bit my bibi pa nti mo me hwe no ho asem ne yenka o yes players no but so the bottom line is players ne yesan mo a sisi ye de esua de afuwe ade mienu a medi Kotoko achibesua ne say yesan players a yensan more years and afimu so na ya jedan ama players no so yentwam nyoma mienu a masua na afi pa samena me ye Kotoko a ade anim guase abre Kotoko ya camp players panyifu omo da na omo sori anopa obunzo omo bema asori because we nipa wa wo hem kra me so ye bema no be sorry na bullet matali ni mu apia because we bema na akọ campion mo say see be din sim by a player no ye trust Godfred Nyarko former Simba United Simba SC and Sahel FC medium player or ye trust or attacking midfielder